few days ago, Samsung invited me to their office for the very first time and my excitement was through the roof. I was able to get a first look at Samsung's new Galaxy S25 FE, and if you don't know, FE stands for Fan Edition, the Galaxy Tab S11 series, the new Galaxy Buds 3 Fan Edition, and Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. So this is my little hands-on video. Hope you can support it and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with Galaxy S25 FE. This is the phone that I'm a big fan of, since it has almost all the new tech, but comes with affordable price. It comes in 4 colors: jet black, navy, ice blue, and white. This phone is running on Deca-Core Exynos 2400 4nm processor and comes with 8GB of RAM. For storage, you have options for 128GB, 256GB, or half terabyte. The battery is big one. It has 4900 mAh and it supports 45 watts super fast charging, fast wireless charging 2.0, and wireless power share. The display is beautiful 6.7 inches 2340 by 1080 Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, which is the most technologically advanced screen from Samsung to this day. Now for the cameras, which are highlight. The rear camera setup has 3 lenses: a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide, a 50 megapixel with aperture 1.8 wide lens, and 8 megapixel 3x with aperture f2.4 telelens. The front camera is a 12 megapixel f2.2 shooter. For security, you get an optical fingerprint on screen and a facial recognition 2D. It also supports DeX wirelessly, and all of this packed into a slim device that weighs just under 190 Gs. It's a solid, well-rounded device in my opinion. Next, we have a new Galaxy Tab S11. This thing is powerhouse for productivity and entertainment. The Tab S11 is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 19400 Plus processor, and it comes with generous 12GB of RAM. Storage options are 128GB, 256GB, or half terabyte. Interestingly enough, this tablet supports micro SD cards up to 2 terabytes. The display is an 11-inch 2560 by 1600 dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It has 8400 mAh battery with 45 watts super fast charging support. The rear camera is 13 megapixel and the front camera is 12 megapixel 120-degree ultra wide. It features an on-screen fingerprint scanner, comes with an all-new S Pen that now has the absolutely natural shape of a regular pen for a better grip. New tabs also support DeX, and it is IP68 water resistant. And if you need something even bigger, the new Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is here. And this one is massive. The Tab S11 Ultra runs on the same MediaTek Dimensity 19400 Plus processor, but steps up the RAM to 12GB or 16GB. It has storage options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1 terabyte, also with microSD support up to 2 terabytes. The display is huge, 14.6 inches 2960 by 1848 dynamic AMOLED 2X at 120 Hz. This tablet packs an enormous 11,600 mAh battery and also supports 45 watts super fast charging. The cameras are the same as in S11, a 13 megapixel rear and 12 megapixel ultra wide front camera. But unlike Tab S11, S11 Ultra also has 8 megapixel ultra wide rear camera. It also has an on-screen fingerprint scanner, comes with a new S Pen, supports DeX, and it's also IP68 water resistant. And just to briefly touch on the other devices in the lineup, we have a more budget-friendly Galaxy Tab S11 Lite with an Exynos 1380 processor, 6 or 8GB of RAM, and 8000 mAh battery. Samsung also introduced new Galaxy Buds 3 Fan Edition, which are a great addition addition to the ecosystem. Now let's talk about the pricing here in Canada. The Galaxy S25 Fan Edition starts at $920 Canadian for the 128GB model and $1,000 for the 256GB version. The Galaxy Tab S11 starts at $1,100 for the 128GB model, and the gigantic Tab S11 Ultra starts at $1,600 for the 256GB version. The Tab S10 Lite starts at $500, and the Galaxy Buds 3 Fan Edition are priced at $179.99 Canadian. That's my first look at Samsung's new lineup. It was pretty cool to be in their office for the first time. Let me know in the comments which device excites you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.